Hello pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel again. Well, got my planes out again today. I brought me EXN, which I know you've seen before, my Tiger plane, that will say, the floater jet. But I brought my Spitfire out today. I bought a Dynam Spitfire about 2 bloody years ago. And well, when I tried flying it, the field, the grass was too long and I couldn't get it to take off. I tried about 20 times, I tried different areas because the wheels were so small, couldn't get it in the air. Right, so what I did was I tried hand launching it, and I was by myself, so I was trying to throw it, grab the remote, you know what I mean, and it's a big plane, so I had to hold it with 2 hands to throw it, then grab the bottom line is it hit the bloody floor, right, and smashed all the front in, and I never did get round to repairing it, right, until this year, right, earlier on this year. So I've got her all repaired again. I haven't taken her out since I've repaired it, so I don't know what the hell's going to happen, but come down to this field today because there was a big festival here last week, about 3,000 people walking about everywhere, and with all that footfall it's flattened the grass quite well, so I've got a good chance of her taking off from here. I put new landing gear on as well, but right, we'll just have to see what happens. Okay then pilots, let's see if we can get this spit in the air then. Cheers. Okay then pilots and ground crew. Let's see what we can do. You may like the sound system. Get a bit closer to power up. Right. There we go then, fingers crossed. There's a few bumps in this grass, but we'll see what happens. Right again. I'll tell you what, I've had an idea. Flaps. That's her turning in the bloody wind. Oh. Balance is all out. Let's go. Nah, sorry pilots, the balance is all out. She's not going up today. Definitely not. It's not happening. Tell you what though, lower the bloody landing gear. And I am not going to go through it by hand like I did last time, because I told you that nightmare happened. But yeah, the weight's all off, centre of gravity's all fucked up, way too nose heavy, so I'm going to have to change a few things. So sorry about that, pilots, but you almost saw her fly. Right, I'll leave it there, and let's cut to something a little bit more interesting.